Okay, let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil and ever. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Thank you, sir, for that prayer. Okay, this morning we are going to discuss concepts on um, real analysis, as I've read. So we'll just have alternate concepts on abstract algebra and real analysis, because there are also some who are enrolled in sorry, in abstract algebra, and some are enrolled in real analysis. So we'll just have alternate every Saturday. Madugan ako, class.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Thank you. So we'll just have kanang alternate na lang tayo every Saturday. So for this session, we will tackle about the preliminary concepts on real analysis. Okay, so I will be taking down notes here. So, so this is real.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Real analysis, then slash abstract algebra. Abstract algebra. And today is September 2, 2023. So our topic is about review concepts, no? Review concepts. So we'll have first the review concepts. Let's start with operations on sets. Okay, so I have operations on sets. It's the first topic that we are going to tackle. The first operation is this. Sa class akin siya mo sulat. Okay, so we have here the first topic na. So union of I element in I, such that union of I element in I. So when we say union of A sub I element in I, it means that it's the set of all x in AI for some I element in I. So when we say I element in I is an indexing set, no? And usually an indexing set is kuan siya kanang it is isomorphic to the set of natural numbers. So when we say union of I element in I, it means class nga na siya, no? Union of sorry, I element in I is equal to A1 union A sub 2, no? Union, then union, union A sub union A sub I'm sorry, A sub I plus 1, and so on. Union of A sub I plus 1, union, and so on. So that is the definition of union, no? Union of A sub I element in I, is just the set of all x such that x is an element of AI for some I in I. I have a question. Why is it that it's just for some? Nganong for some raman siya? Ngano ka ha? Nganong for some na siya? Okay? Anong for some man siya? First operation akla? Operation and sets. Union of I element in I is a set of all x such that x element in AI for some I in I. Is it really uh when we say for some, you can may pasabot og for some.
Dili
Not
tanan.
all elements are included, sir. Only values that satisfies the condition or something like that.
Okay, not all. No, not all. Pasabot kaning x dili necessary nga naa sa tanang A, di ba? No, for some. Pwede nga si x naa sa A sub 1 lang. The rest wala siya. Kay imo mang i-take ang union. Di ba? Pareha sa una sa atong na-learn before in katong mga undergrad mga concepts like A sub 1. Sulod diha kay A, B, say A, B, C. Then A sub 2. Sulod kay X, A, B. Di ba? So if you take the union, A1 union A sub 2, just A, B, C, and X, no? Nga na siya. A, B, C, and X. So, kaning mga elements sa union, si A, of course, nasa sa A1 o A2, si B nasa A sub 1 and A sub 2, si C nasa A sub 1 lang, si X nasa A sub 2 lang. So, mana siyang for sum. Na for sum A for some I element in I. So, mga set of all X nga si X na sulod sa set A sub I for some, no? For some I element in I. Not necessary nga naagyo siya sa tanang sets nga A's. What is the implication if si Z is not an element of the union of A sub I element in I? Sa mo imply ni class? Kung si Z wala sa union, sa may pasabot ana. What's the next?
It's the complement of the values that are not included in this set, sir.
Okay. What's another idea? What do you mean by Z not in the union I element in I? Sa may meaning class, what's the effect if si Z wala sa union of mga AI? Sa may pasabot? Z is not in the union. So if you will draw, like for example, if two sets line ka, so you have A, then that, no? Suppose this is A sub 1, and this is A sub 2. So when we take the union, kung i-take ni mo ang union, kani nga tong union, di ba? Kana tanan. Kana sila
Sure.
dira. Kana.
Yes,
Wala
sir.
sa tong union. Now, what if si Z is not in the union AI? So may pasabot kung si Z wala
Outside
sa
of the answer, outside of the set of values under the union of AI.
Yes, so Z is outside the set of values under the union of AI. That's correct, no? So wala siya
Ay.
din ha. So pasabot, kung si Z is not in the union, it means si Z is not in the AI for all I element in I. Di ba? Kung wala siya sa
Yes, sir.
union, wala gyud siya sa tanang A sub I's. Correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Sir.
yes. So, mana ang mag-imply, no? So, kung wala siya sa union, so wala siya sa A sub I for all I element in I. So, that's the first operation. The second operation is the intersection of I element in I. So, when we say intersection, it's the set of all X such that X is an element of AI for all I element in I. Okay? So, ang mga set of all X nga naa sa AI sa tanang I, meaning, kung si X nasa A sub 1, dapat na siya sa A sub 2, A sub 3, A
Sub
sub 4, and so on.
two.
Okay? Muna ipasabot sa intersection of all AIs. Now, unsa may pasabot kung si Z is not an element of the intersection of I element in I? Does it
Naa siya
imply
sa
that?
it's either AI or um naa siya sa it's either A1 or A2, sir, pero kang wala siya sa intersection.
Nasa siya sa A1 or A2, then yes, wala siya sa intersection. That's correct, no? So, um, so that's true, no? Nasa A1, A2, wala siya sa intersection. Okay, that's true. No? So specifically specifying that there are two sets. Pero since this is an intersection of all AI, daghan kaayo ni nga sets, no? Pasabot diha, Z is what? Z is not an element of AI for some I
For
element
some.
in I. For some lang, no? So, bisan pa og wala man siya sa intersection. So, pasabot, bisan pag wala siya sa, bisan pag naa siya sa the rest, pero wala siya sa usa ka set, dili yun siya masulod sa intersection. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, dili, no? So, like for example, naa siya sa A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, A sub 5, A sub 6, and so on. Pero wala siya sa A sub 1. So, if you will intersect all those sets, Z there is not an element of the intersection. Kay wala man siya sa usa ka set. Okay? So, that is the definition or the implication. Another operation. A complement. It's the set of all X element in U, universal set, such that X is not in A. So when we say A complement, we take all the elements of the universal set U where those elements are not elements of A. So, di ba, if we draw the Venn diagram like this, no? Panatang Venn diagram, for example, then this is the universal set U. If this is A, if this is A, kanang kani nga set becomes the A complement. Diba? Kani sila class? No? Mo ni ang mga A complement. Kay, unsa man siya? It's the set of all X in the universal set nga si X wala sa A, diba? Ang sulod sa A kay kani man, diba? Kani siya. So, um, taking all those elements nga outside A, those are elements nga masulod sa A complement. Correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Sige. Okay, so how about the others? Naka-follow ra mo, class, atong discussion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Follow ra, sir.
Okay, thank you. So that's it, no? That's it. The next operation. Next is the now next operation. We have A minus B. A minus B is the set of all X element in A such that X is not in B. Okay, mabalik tayo ang intersection. So ang intersection, ang Venn diagram is just easy, no? So if you take two sets there, kani atong two sets, we have A then B. Okay, so ang atong intersection will be this one. Okay, so kaniya to ang intersection. So this is A intersection. Now for set difference, if you take the Venn diagram here, if this is A and this one is B, I'm sorry, dili na ko isulod sa set. Let's erase it. This is A and this is B. Now, if you will shade, kung i-shade nimo ang ato ang set nga A minus B, mga X in A lang nga si X wala sa B. So, pasabot, kani lang sila. Kani lang sila nga part. This one is A minus B. Now, there's a remark here. Remark A minus B is just equal to A intersection B complement. Okay, kana daw, no? Sige. So, unsa man day ang ato ang kuan? Unsa man day ato ang B complement? So, di ba? If you will draw here, this is A, this one is
A.
B. Then, the B complement class kay, di ba ang ato ang
Values.
B complement kay
Outside B.
outside B. So, kani sila. Di ba? Kani sila?
Yes, sir.
Kani
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ang B complement. Kana siya. Then, if you are going to intersect it with A, no? Kung i-intersect nimo siya sa A, ang mahitabo class kay kanang ang mahitabo din ha is kanina ang ato ang intersection. Di ba? B complement intersect with A kay kanira
A.
si
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's it. So that's why that's the remark. They are equal. A minus B is just equal to A intersection B complement. Next, we have symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. A triangle B is just equal to A minus B union B minus A. Okay, that's the symmetric difference. Okay. Next is I have here another definition. Let F up from. Okay. Let F map from D to B. Be a function. Then A subset sa D. I'm sorry. A subset sa D. Change the color class kay dili siya. A subset sa D. And E subset sa B. Now, if we take f of A, when we say f of A class is the set, it's the set of all FA such that A is an element of A. Now, if you are going to draw, kung mag-drawing the class ana, if there's a function, di ba, ayun na function, suppose this is D, kani ato ang D, then kani ato ang B. Sa to ang condition, si A subset sa D. Kani si A. Then si E subset sa B. So, naliri, no? Nasa sulod sa B si E. Okay? Now, kung na kay A sub 1 diri, A sub 1, then A sub 2, if you will move it, if you will perform the function based on how it is being defined, inigabot dito sa PCAS, na ba? If you have A here, A sub 1, if you take the image of A sub 1 under the function F, depending on how the function F is being defined, mahimo na siyang F of A sub 1. Correct, class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, mahimo na siya mana. Then, kani siyang isa, we have, kani siya, if you move this one, or no, not moving, taking the image. If you take the image of a sub 2 under the function f, mahimo na siyang f of a sub 2. So the set, no, collecting all those images of the set a sub 1, mahimo na siyang f of a, no? F of a. So, ang f of a, mo na ang collection sa mga f of a sub 1, then f of a sub 2, comma, and so on. Where ang mga a sub i's kay element sa a.
Okay.
Okay? So, kana siya. Okay, so that's the definition. Now, there's a remark here. Not a remark, ani, no? Remark. F of A is a subset or equal to B. So, ang ato ang set nga F of A, subset or equal to B. Pwede siya ma-subset or pwede ma-equal ni B. Okay. Then, image, the F of D is the image. The image of the function f, no? Is the image of the function f, and f of d and f of d is a subset or equal to b. No? Subset gihapon siya or equal to b. That's the image, no? The image of the function. Then we have here f is onto the function f is onto. When we say onto, if all, no? If the image of the function, if the image of the set D under the function f is equal to B. Kung ang atong images, ang mga images sa elements sa D, if we take the set, we equal siya sa B. So, f is on top. Pasabot, for each
Element.
For each B element in B, there exists A element in D, or we say D. There exists D. D na lang ta. Small d. Element in D such that B is equal to F of D. Kadapik ni mog B nga naa sa B. No, kadapik ni mog B nga naa sa B. So kung imo na siyang tanawon sa sa representation class. If this is the function, then this is D, this is B. Kadapik ni mog B diri. Makakita kag D nga naa diri, no? There exists D nga naa diri. Such that if you take the image of D, no, if we take the image of D, meaning f of D, mo equal siya ni B. Okay, so that's the definition of onto. So in short, tanang elements, if you take all the elements of the set D, take the image and you form the set, ang mahimong set kay mo equal sa set B. So that makes the function kanang onto. F is 1-to-1. Nganong delete siya?
Delay kayo, sir ba? Ang projection, ang answer ba presentation, delay kayo.
Ano, yun na ako to do it. Nga na-delay siya. So, ano siya? So, anong delay man siya?
Pasin sa signal siguro, sir.
Okay.
Pwede pa scroll up, sir, katong imong gikuan sa babaw gamay before aning kuan.
Sige.
Adi,
This one?
ubos pa, sir.
O
Katong
boss,
ato na unto bitaw the pit, sir, sa unto na.
ay up. This one.
Aw kana, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you.
F is on to. If for all elements in D, F is on to if for all elements in D, take the image of the elements in D, the set, no, the image of D will be equal to the set B. Meaning for every B in B, no, for every element B in the set B, we can find an element D in the set D such that if we take the image of the set D, of the element, the image of the element in D, nga D, then that image is equal to B. F is 1 to 1
1-to-1.
if for all xy element in D, f of x is equal to f of y implies that x is equal to y. So that makes the function f 1 to 1. So when we say if the two images are equal, then no, if we take the two images equal, then their pre-image nga elements, they are also equal. So from here, kung imong tanawan na siya dinhi, no? Panay ko andiri f of x and f of y. Suppose they are equal, it will imply nga si x equal pod ni y. Okay. Next we have f is bijective if it is both 1 to 1 and 1 to. Okay. Next, we have De Morgan's law. Here we have union AI, I element in I, complement is equal to the intersection of AI complement I element in I. It's the first. And the second one is the intersection of AI, I element in I, complement is equal to the union of AI complement I element in I. So these are two sets, no? Equality of two sets. So first we are going to show that the union of AI, I element in I, complement is equal to the intersection of AI complement I element in I. How to show equality of sets? How to show that the two sets are equal?
Prove, sir.
They are
Saan again? Saan
They are
pag-show nga
equal,
sets
to?
equal?
Show that they contain the same element.
Yes. I think Miss Rochelle is saying, Rochelle, isa ni siya, Rochelle, daog ba na siya?
Sir, by proving, sir, and using different rules to support the proof nga equal the union of AI complement is equal to the intersection of AI complement.
Yeah, by proving it, no? So we have to show. We will prove that they are equal. So how to show that they are equal? Saan pag-show nga equal sila? Showing that if there are, for example, if when you say, kuan, ano, katong to show og equality of sets, pwede tag nga ni, A equals B, if and only if, A subset sa B, and B subset sa A. So we will show that this one is first, case 1, show first that union of AI, I element in I, complement, is a subset of the intersection AI complement I element in I. Then, case 2, show that union AI, I element in I, complement is contained, is containing, no? Is containing the intersection of AI complement I element in I. Or pwede lang tagbalihon na to siya. Balihon na lang natin. Show first that the union of the intersection of AI complement I element in I is a subset of the union I element in I complement. Okay, so kana to show. So how to show subsets? So first we let an arbitrary element, no? Maglet of arbitrary element in the first. So arita sa case 1. Let an arbitrary element in this set, in the first set. So pasabot, let Z element in the union of I element in I complement. Z is an arbitrary element in the set. Then your next target is to show that Z becomes an element of the other set. Okay, para sure ta nga masubset siya. Okay, so to show that Z must be an element of the intersection of AI complement I element in I. So asa may pasabot class og si Z element diri, Z element in the union of AI complement I element in I. Sa may pasabot ana. Let Z element in the union of AI complement.
For some sets, Z.
What's the next statement nga mo follow ana class? Kung si Z elements sa union union of AI union I in I complement na siya sa complement. So meaning wala siya sa union, correct class?
Wala sa union. Yes, sir. Wala
Sir.
sa union. May complement man.
Let Z element in this one. So pasabot Z then Z element is not an element. Okay, is not an element of union I element in I. Is it right, class? Wala siya.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Naa siya sa complement, meaning wala siya sa union.
Wala siya
Yes,
sa
wala siya sa
union.
union.
Wala sa union.
Now, kung wala siya sa union, sa may pasabot, kung wala siya sa union, wala siya sa union, wala siya dira sa A ni AI. Sakto ba ko, class? Wala siya sa A ni AI?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wala siya sa union, no? So, meaning, wala siya. So, kung si Z element in is not an element, meaning, si Z ma-element siya sa is not an element, okay? Is not an element of AI for all I element in I. Correct na, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, kay wala siya sa union, meaning wala siya sa mga AI sa tanan. Now, kung wala siya sa tanan, sa may pasabot, for all, wala siya sa AI for all. So, Z becomes an element of what? Z becomes an element of AI complement. Kaya wala siya sa tanang AI. So asa man siya?
Nasa complement.
Nasiya sa mga
Complement.
complements sa AI.
Complement sa
So,
AI.
naa siya sa element sa AI complement. Na element siya sa AI complement for all I element in I. Now, kay naa naman siya sa mga AI complement sa tanang I. Naa siya sa intersection
Section.
I element in I. Okay, so naa na siya sa intersection. Pasabot, napakita na to nga naglet mo tag arbitrary element Z dire. Napakita na to class nga napakita na to nga tanang element no si Z from here na dire napakita na to nga nasulod siya dito sa pikas nga set, di ba? Intersection AI complement. So, since Z is arbitrary, it means that all elements of the set in the left side becomes an element of the set of the right side. So, pasabot, kaning set nga union AI complement I element in I, mahimo siyang subset. Masubset siya sa intersection of AI complement I element in I. So, napakita na to ang first case. Okay? Thus, the union of I element in I complement is a subset of the intersection AI complement I element in I. Now, we'll have case 2. Let Y element in the intersection of AI complement I element in I. So, kung si Y element sa intersection of AI, element siya sa intersection of AI complement I element in I. Kung na siya class meaning, Y is an element of AI complement for all I element in I. Correct, class? Kung nasa sa intersection, meaning nasiya sa tanan, nasiya sa tanang AI complement. Okay. Kung naa siya sa tanang AI complement, sa may pasabat, si Y is not an element of AI. Correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nama daw siya sa tanang AI complement. So si Y is not an element of AI for all I
AI,
element in I.
element of I.
Kung wala siya sa kung wala siya sa tanang AI, pasabot Y is not an element of the union of E. Kay wala man siya sa tanang AI, meaning wala kung i-take nimo ang
Wala siya.
union sa mga I
Wala
element
siya.
in I, wala pud siya, no? Wala pud siya diha. Now kung wala man siya dinha, pasabot si Y ma-element sa asa man. Ma-element siya sa complement aning union. Correct,
Complement.
class?
Yun,
Inter
Union
union.
of I
AI,
element in
I
I,
element of I. Complement.
complement. Thus, napakita na to nga nag-start ta nga si Y naa dito sa intersection of AI complement I element in I. Then na-show na to nga nahimo siyang element dire. So, intersection of I complement I element in I is a subset of the union of I element in I. Sorry. Complement. So napakita na to balik-bali na. So therefore the union of I element in I complement is equal to the intersection of I complement I element in. Okay? So kana. Next we have also other properties. Wait. I have here distributive law. B, intersection of the union I element in I is equal to union of B intersection I element in I. Another B intersection and just verify this one. Magdili na siya intersection. Okay, just verify it. Ito home na. B union intersection of I element in I is equal to intersection of B union I element in I. Okay, we also have here commutative properties. A union B is equal to B union A, and A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Okay. Next is we have also this term, a relation this one we call is an equivalence relation on S on a set S if the following properties hold. A relation I have here this notation wiggle is an equivalence relation on a set S if the following properties hold. The first property, reflexive property. That means A is related to A for all A element in A. Then another, it's symmetric. This means that A wiggle B implies B wiggle A for all AB element in for all AB element in S. And then C transitive, A is related to B and B is related to C implies A is related to C for all ABC element in S. Okay? The wiggle partitions the S into disjoint distinct equivalence classes. That is, S is the union of distinct equivalence classes. So, from there, kani nga to ang definition nga wiggle. We introduce equivalence classes. Say X element in S, then we have X is equal to Y element in S, such that Y is related to X. So, makita nimo ang mga Y nga nasulod sa S such that Y is related to X. Okay. And then, if we have also the we have also this term here. This means that, for example, there is set S here, then kaniyatong set S. Then we can form distinct equivalence classes from here, no? From this. So the equivalence classes will partition the whole set S, no? I-partition niya ang whole set S. And the union of those distinct equivalence classes will form the whole set S. Okay, sunod. We have also the following notations. Natin mga notations ani. And we have Z, Q, and we have also N means set of integers, then Q rational numbers, then Z integers, N set of counting numbers. A segment N of length N is the set. So, na term 3, a segment of N of length N is the set I sub N. Nga ang sulod sa I sub N class kay 1, 2, 3 until N. So it's a segment of the set of natural numbers. The segment of the set of natural numbers. Then we have the remark I sub N is equal to I sub M if and only if N is equal to M. So kaning I sub N is just part of the set of natural numbers, segment of the set of natural numbers. A set B is finite if B is empty or B is uh, is B is if B is asset B is finite kung si B empty or si B is equivalent to I sub n. So still finite na siya. For example, B is ABC and then ang Z is equivalent to the set nga 1 to 2. So equivalent siya. Next, we have remark. Every countably infinite set has an enumeration. So every countably infinite set has an enumeration. So meaning we can enumerate the elements, no? We can enumerate the elements of the set. Then there are some examples which are countably infinite, like examples here we have N, and we have Z. Those are countably infinite sets. N, Z, Q, they are countably infinite sets. Uncountable if A is neither finite nor equivalent. Sorry. Yeah, if A is neither finite nor equivalent to the set of natural numbers, then it is uncountable. Example of uncountable sets we have 0, 1, set of real numbers, and set of irrational numbers. Next, if the set A sub n such that n is a set element of the natural numbers is countable collection of countable sets, then the union of AI I know not AI, AN, this is n element from 1 to infinity is countable. So it means nga nalay usa dinha, no? Nalay usa dinha nga dili na usa. It's ang mga kuan ay siya, ang mga A sub n dapat countable collection. No, countable. So if we take the union of those, of those sets, since the sets defined earlier are countable sets. So if we take the union, the union is still countable. Another definition. If we have the collection A sub 1, A sub 1, then A sub 2 until A sub n is a finite collection of countable sets, then the Cartesian product of AI, that means Cartesian product of I from 1 to n, is just equal to A1 cross A2 cross until A sub n, is the set nga equal sa n tuples A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub n, such that A sub I kay element sa AI for I nga equal sa 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay? So, it's the Cartesian products. Di ba ang ato ang ug two sets lang ta kay natay ordered pair. So, if there are n sets, so ang ato ang set will be like this, no? A sub 1, A sub 2, until A sub n, where ang mga A sub i's kay element siya sa capital set A sub i's, no? For example, ang A sub 1 elements sa capital the set A sub 1, A sub 2 elements sa set A sub 2. So that's the concept of Cartesian product. Next, we have here the next term here is the axiom of choice. Version 1. If AI, set AI such that I element in I is a collection of non-empty sets. Non-empty sets, then the Cartesian product of AI, I element in I, is also not empty, because the collection is a collection of non-empty sets. So if you take the Cartesian product, then the Cartesian product is not also empty. Another version, if we have A sub I such that I element in I is a pairwise disjoint, collection of non-empty sets. Then there exists a set E, subset sa union sa mga I element in I, such that the intersection of E and AI, the intersection of A and AI is not is a singleton. Is a singleton for each I element in I. So, can you see na I collection of AI element, pairwise disjoint collection. So kada pick nimo og duha ka set, pairwise disjoint sila. When you say pairwise disjoint, ang ilahang intersection kay empty. Makakita daw ta og set nga si E. Nga si there is this E subset sa union of AI such that kanang si E intersection AI is a singleton. Singleton ang ato ang intersection nga kani for each I element in I. Okay, so that's it. Muna siya. Next is some principles involving the set of natural numbers. First, well-ordering principle. Well-ordering principle. The well-ordering principle states that every non-empty subset of the set of natural numbers has a least element. Okay, so when we say every non-empty subset of n, so kada pick nimog subset sa n, it has a least element. So if natay A, like A subset sa natural numbers, kanya si A kay not empty. This will imply that the minimum of A exists. Na-exist ang minimum sa A, kaya siya least element. At it implies further that the minimum of A is an element of A. Okay, so the minimum of A is not an element of A. Okay, so kana sa lang siguro kana for now. I'll just share this one later. Those are some preliminary concepts no in real analysis. I'll be sharing this one in our group chat. Okay. Next week, we are going to discuss about some principles, continuation of some principles involving the set of natural numbers. So we will talk about principle of mathematical induction, then infinitesimal property, and we have the upper bounds, the lower bounds, and we will talk also about completeness axiom, and then mga Archimedean principles, and some of the corollaries, density property of the set, and also pagkahuman ana, we will talk about mga preliminary concepts also on kaning open sets and closed sets, no? Open sets and closed sets in the set of real numbers. Okay, before we are going to proceed to the algebra of sets and the measure concepts. So next meeting mag-discuss ta og real analysis, gihapon nga concept, continuation of what we have discussed this morning.
How about the abstract, sir? Same ra gyapon, sir.
Wait, ano sir?
The abstract, mag-discuss ta about abstract.
Yes, mag-discuss gihapon ta. So, balik-bali ra ato sir kay yamo naman tay
Okay,
kuan,
sir.
kanang puli-puli lang ta. At least
Okay,
nga
okay.
naapot tay agi sa real analysis and abstract algebra. Kay
Okay, sir.
na first ko lang klase ay wala ko time lain to handle the other class. Okay, so that's it for this session. Na ako'y gihatag nga activity class, no?
Yes, sir. Last time.
Okay. So, ako lang tong check no sa online. Nakasabit naman mo ato, no? Kasabit naman
Yeah.
ito, class.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Sir.
Check na to na ko online. Ako lang i-feedback. It's the one. Okay, so I think that would be all.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Renel. Yes.
Kang nay gahapon pa mi na approve sa among enrollment, sir, then kang nay wala pa mi ka-answer sa katong nay activity last time.
Okay. I-add lang. Pag i-add na lang mo dito sa kuan sa
Naka
ato
naka-open na may sa concert sa Google Classroom pero ang dili na may ka-open sa activity kay na-due naman to siya.
dili mabli na.
Dili na,
ma-due?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just kuan na lang siguro. Ako lang 'tong ibalik og open.
Okay, sir. Salamat, sir.
Sige, sige. Okay, so we'll have our documentation. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sige, that would be all, class. Thank you for attending our session this morning.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.